Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alao Johnson. If this is your first time on my channel, please do well and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well and subscribe now so that you will not miss it when I upload other informative videos like this, right? So this video is the second segment of the video I promised to make. I promised to make 5 different videos that will show you how you can make money online. The first video was how you can make money online doing online survey. So if you haven't seen the video, I will attach it to the description of this video so you can watch it so that you can check out how it works and how you can also make money online doing online survey, right? So but in this second segment, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online doing personal shopping for people. So the way I'm going to make this video now, the strategy, the method I'm going to be telling you, can apply it to a local personal shopping or international personal shopping, but I'll focus more on international shopping, right? So a lot of people want to get something from international markets, but they don't know how to go about it. Let me use AliExpress for example. A lot of people want to get stuff from China from AliExpress, but they don't know how to go about it. A lot of people want to get stuff from eBay, but they don't know how to go about it. A lot of people want to get stuff from Amazon, they don't know how to go about it. Mention them, a lot of platform, a lot of foreign platform, ASOS. A lot of people want to get stuff from ASOS. A lot of people want to get stuff from Nike, right? A lot of people want to get stuff from different brands, international brands, but they don't know how to go about it. So as a personal shopper, that is when you come in, right? The work of a personal shopper is that you help them place their order. They will pay you, you help them place their order, and you have two different delivery means. You can decide to ship the whole thing to your place, then you deliver it locally to them, and you can also choose to use their billing address, their shipping address to place the order, and so that it can be delivered to your customer. Either way, you know the one that works best for you. But before I proceed, I would like to share a little story of my own personal shopping experience, because I've done personal shopping before. Everything I'm saying in my YouTube videos are something that I've done personally. So I'm not just go and read book or go and read blog posts or go and watch video and come and make video on it. So everything I'm telling you on my YouTube channel are real, are something that I've done, right? So I think it was around 2019, 2018. So I was doing personal shopping, but it was within Nigeria. It wasn't international market like that. So it was within Nigeria. So one thing is that if you are watching this video in Nigeria, you can relate to what I'm saying. But if you are not watching it in Nigeria, wherever you are watching, you can still apply this method to everything I'm going to be saying. So in 2020 or 2019, I don't really remember. So I do personal shopping, and the website I use is Jumia. So you can't believe that even as Jumia, as local as Jumia is, I will just say local, as local as popular as Jumia is, a lot of people still don't know how they can place order on Jumia and get delivered to them. You understand? So during those times, I will go and get a product on Jumia. I will take a screenshot of it or download the picture of the product. Then I'll be advertising the products, right? I'll be advertising the product. So whenever I see a customer that show interest, they get to pay to me, right? So let's say the product is like 10,000 naira. So I can add my own profits. I can sell it for them for 12,000. So that's 2,000 naira profit. I'm just using that as a sample. So it depends on the price of the product, right? So this is what I do. I take picture of products from Jumia, then post it on my status. Then I was running WhatsApp TV, so I have audience. So and I do post it on Facebook and other. I think I do post it on Marketplace also. Then so I will take a product picture from Jumia, then you post it, and anybody that shows interest, I tell them about the products, and they get to pay. So once they get to pay, I will just collect their address, their shipping address, then I will use their address to place the order on Jumia. with their phone number and all. So whenever Jumia want to go and deliver the product, Jumia will just call them and get to deliver to them. Soft. So my own business is just to get a product picture, post it. When I get customer, I place the order for them, and they get their order, and everybody will be happy. So that was how I used to do it then, and I really did a lot of orders. I think there was a time I helped somebody to order washing machine on Jumia. I helped the person to order washing machine on Jumia, and the person got the products, and I also got my profit. So uh, that is how I was doing it then. So now there are still other ways you can do it, depending on the country you are. Depending in the country you are, I don't know, maybe Jumia is available in your country. So if Jumia is available, you can try what I just said now. But if it's not available, you can also apply that method to other marketplace, to other platform. Okay, now let's say for AliExpress now. Most of my stuff I order them from AliExpress. This particular product is called humidifier, or is it water humidifier or what? Water humidifier. So I order it from AliExpress, right? So I order most of my products from AliExpress. Most of the stuff I use, including my AirPod, including my phone pouch, I order it from AliExpress. So now a lot of people want to also order it, including the microphone I'm using to make this video. I order it from AliExpress. A lot of people want to order from AliExpress, but they don't know how to go about it. Right? So as a personal shopper, I will tell you how you can help people to order from international markets. Right? So now let's say this particular product now is $5 on AliExpress. Right? It's $5. I'm just saying this just so that you can know how you can apply that method I told you I was using with Jumia. You can also apply it to international market. Let us say this product is $5, which is not it's not up to $5 on AliExpress. So you can actually pick this product, take a screenshot of the product picture, then take a screenshot and post it. When people show interest, you can add like $2 to it, depending on you. I don't know how you want your profit to be. So you just add to it and you help them order. And how do you order? Because in Nigeria, most of Nigeria card does not work on AliExpress. So what you need to do is you need to get virtual card, dollar virtual card. So there are a lot of fintech platforms that offer virtual card solution, that offer virtual card. So there are a lot of platforms. I'm going to mention a few, and I will likely add the link, maybe a link to get one of them. Right? So there's this card that works on I will be mentioning the card that I've used that works. I've used Clasher card, but I will not recommend it because they always have downtime. So it might be when you really need the card, it might be that time that they have downtime, but it works on AliExpress. So I will also recommend mustard.ng. You can just download the app on Play Store. Mustard, their virtual card. I think Mustard virtual card is free. It's free, right? So you can create your card there, then you'll be using the card to place order for your customer. So if your customer order for the water humidifier that is $5 on AliExpress, I don't know the amount, I'm just using an example. So you can actually add your own amount. You can even sell it times 2. You can sell it $10. You understand? So once they make payment to you, you just use the virtual card to place the order on AliExpress. The same thing applies to every other platform, like ASOS. I have somebody that I help to order stuff from ASOS. I've helped somebody to order stuff from many times. I've ordered something for myself on AliExpress. I've helped people to order from AliExpress. I've helped people to order on eBay. Right? So for Amazon, I think most times Amazon only accept gift cards. So I will not recommend that. I don't even recommend Amazon at all because I don't want to share my experience with what the experience I encounter with Amazon. So I will not recommend that. But every other platform, eBay, AliExpress, ASOS, all those platforms, as far as they are accepting credit cards, so you can use those cards that I mentioned. Mustard, I recommend Mustard. You can use Mustard card for the order, right? for the orders. And also once you have the card, you can use it to place order on any international platform. And this personal shopping is not limited to physical products alone. Let's say somebody wants to buy stuff. As far as somebody wants to buy something online, regardless of what they want to buy online, just ask for the platform that they want to buy the stuff and check if they accept credit card. So as far as they are accepting credit card, the card I recommended for you will always work. It should work, right? So let's say somebody wants to buy a domain. I don't know, you might not be familiar with what I'll be saying now. A domain name or a hosting or any service. Somebody wants to order something on Fiverr, or somebody wants to order service or on any international platform. So you can also help them to do that, and you add your own profit to it. So imagine somebody wants to buy something. Maybe somebody wants to buy a hosting, and the hosting that the person wants to buy is like $20, right? So you can actually add money to it. You can just tell the person, oh, this is my charge on this $20. I want you to check out. My own charge is like $3. So you can do it like that, and at the same time you can add money to the dollar rate. Let's say on the card you want to use, I don't know the current dollar rate, but let's say the dollar rate is 1,650 on the card. So if you want to help somebody to check out using that card, you can actually add to it. You can add maybe 15 naira to the dollar, so it will be 1,700 you are going to charge the person, right? Or more than that, depend on you. So that is that for that. I hope that helps. So I will just do a quick recap. So personal shopping mainly is you helping people to shop online. You understand? So it can be locally, just like Jumia that I have said. It can be international, just like AliExpress and the likes. You understand? For locally, you can use your Nigeria card. Let's say it's Jumia, you can use your Nigeria card to place the order for them. But if it's international platform, you use the card I recommended, mustard, right? So that is that for that. That is how personal shopping works. You just help them place order and all. So now, in a situation whereby you want to make this more professional, I know some people that they are already like multi-millionaire just doing personal shopping. So if you want to make it big on this personal shopping thing, so what you are going to do is you need to build a brand. You can just build a brand on Instagram or on Facebook, or I would not recommend Facebook. Instagram is fine. Instagram or Twitter, because I don't really like Facebook. People that are on Facebook are not mature. Sorry to say that. I'm on Facebook. Like, if you want to find mature people, you can't find them on Facebook. That's what I'm just trying to say. So if you want to build a brand on it, you can build it on Instagram or on Twitter. So this is what you do. You just make sure that people know that you're a personal shopper. So you just tell them that, okay, this is what you can help them do. If they want to order stuff on international markets, maybe on ASOS, a lot of people order stuff. You know, all these big guys, they don't wear all these fake products that people wear in Nigeria. Like, they want to order it from the brand, from the manufacturer. So, and for them to do that, they can't do that. Most of them don't know how to do it. So they have to meet a personal shopper. So if you build your brand around that, maybe on Instagram, people know that you are a personal shopper and they see that you are trustworthy. They have did maybe one or two transactions with you. I'm very sure that you are going to go big with it. So I know people, like personally, I know people that are doing personal shopping and are making it big there. So that is that for that on the personal shopping. I'll try my possible best to attach a link. I'll try to get a link for card, right? To download, like to get the card. I'll try to put the link in the description of this video. So if you haven't watched the first video I made on how to make money online, which is how to make money online doing online survey, like I said, I'm going to attach the video under the description of this video, so just go watch it. So on my next segment, I don't know what I'm going to be talking about, but it's still going to be based on making money online. So this is the second one. So the third one, I don't know when I'm going to upload it, but just subscribe to my YouTube channel so that by the time I upload it, you get notified by YouTube, and you can also get to know the information. There's a lot of money to be made online. That's just it. There's a lot of money to be made online. So, and I see that people need money. So that's why I'm doing this as a way of giving back to society, to give them information on what they can do. So thank you for watching my video, and please share my video, like my video, subscribe. Thank you.